Hello, I'd like to show you how well the pigments dissolve in water today. So what I thought we'd do is just get 3 glasses of water and put a couple of drops, 1 or 2 drops of the pigment in each water, and you'll see how they start to move down in the glass. I think this looks quite mesmerizing, but a couple of customers have asked us, do they actually dissolve in water? So I thought I'd just give you an example of 3 different colours, and I'll just put that to one side so you can see what the pigments are as we use them. And last one is the yellow. And you'll see at this stage they haven't blended thoroughly through the water, although they've moved down quite nicely. But watch what happens when we give them a little stir. Just a simple stir and they mix really well through. They'll do this in your melt and pour soaps as well, really beautifully. And you've got 3 beautifully designed colours there, perfect to use in melt and pour soaps or in bathing crystals. Dyes will be used in liquid soaps and bath bombs, but your pigments are perfect for your soaps and many of your bath body products.